Thank you for clicking on this video and welcome back to my channel. This will be a video of my 5.5-year-old's bedroom. You'll see the befores. Before we painted, we actually painted it from a gray color to a pinkish color, and we also replaced the carpet as well. So I hope you enjoy the video.
I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. I should let you know.
Alright guys, we've reached the end of the video. Here are the final results. I hope you like what you see. Go ahead and like the video, comment, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a great one.